Hey guys, it is LM Games here with our second video. It's me again, Seb. I don't think I said that in my first video. But yeah, I'm Seb. So today we're playing Helly Yeah. I have no idea what this is about. Apparently you blow shit up as a helicopter. That's it. So, I hope you enjoy. Right. You! Ah! I'll get you. Ah! 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 Get him! Oh yeah! Train grabs! We're meant to fly? How do you fly this thing? There's bombs! Oh, for God's sake! I'm gonna crash before I even get. Let's try again! Oh. Oh. Protect the bomb. No, that's insane. Tab for. Is that? Checking out whatsoever. Okay. Oh, that's sick. Yeah. Right. Next level. Tank turret. Do you hear me? What do I? Don't pretend like you don't know. You don't. Enter. Reach the exit. It's moving too much. It's moving too much. Bitch. Oh. Slowly does it. Oh! Oh. Stop crashing, you terrible pilot. Just blow up. Why? Why? Okay. Oh, wait, no. No. Okay. There we go. That's my base of orgasms. Crash. I owned him. No. I thought it was going to be fun. It's not fun anymore. Right. So you crash and you burn. That's my motto. Quasimodo. Or I could just go. Now that was some skill. Only trained officers can do skill like that. One last go. As you can see, I'm a quitter. I quit things quite easily. It's not something proud of, but it's something which makes things easier. Makes things a lot easier, to be honest. Like, you quit, you're done. May not achieve anything, but at the moment I ain't achieving anything. You shot Mummy! He shot me! He shot me, Mummy! Charlie bit my finger! Tank bit me. Anyway, that's all we have time for today, because I've got to go out and have some dinner. So I hope you enjoyed, and like, subscribe, and well, if you have any suggestions for games you want me to play, soon I'll be able to record PS4 gameplay. But at the moment I can't just yet, but I want to. So, yeah, like, subscribe, tell me if you liked it, inbox me if you have any suggestions, and see you next week.